of Clearwater Beach, Reddington, Indian Shores. We're getting lots of reports of coastal flooding coming into those areas. We're also getting lots of reports of inland freshwater flooding from, well away from the coast. As these water tables start to rise, streets are getting flooded. If you approach, say you went out, say you're one of the people who have not been listening to us, or you haven't been paying any attention because it's not going to affect you, all right? So you're going to leave your house and you're going to go run some errands because you know what, you've been dying all week. Today was a day that you're going to go out and do that something special, or go look at that extra special gizmo you want to buy. And you've left your house. Whoa. Now you can't get back because your street is flooded. What have you done? You've just stranded people who probably are relying on you. Again, when the streets get flooded, that means what? That means the drainage systems aren't working. So that means everything underground that is designed to carry these storm waters away have been inundated and overwhelmed. When those waters rise up as quickly as they do, one of the things that happens is these storm drain covers or manhole covers, even though these things weigh 100 pounds, they get knocked off. They literally get lifted up from their base, and then you've got a giant hole in the ground, and then your car will get stuck in the sky. This is one of the things a lot of people don't realize is, like, in the coastal area, like Reddington Shores, Indian Shores, Indian Rocks, Treasure Island, St. Pete Beach, all of these, because they are surrounded by intercoastal, like St. Pete Beach, for example, is an island. It's a bit like the figures in Treasure Island and all that stuff, and across from the main beach access. Come from the coast and just come over in the beach area and go into the boulevard and stuff like that. The actual island in itself will flood from the inside out, and then the storm drains will flood, and the streets will flood. My grandparents were in Treasure Island, and the streets will flood first. It's backed up from the storm drain, and then it'll flood towards the water. So you see, it floods from the inside. Now, a lot of people think, okay, well, yes, it's going to flood from on the beach, and we're going to be safe. By the time they turn around to go home, they're trapped on the beach. There's no way for them to go home because these waters are not coming from where most people think they would come from, from the Gulf directly. It comes from the storm drains. It sure does. Again, if you're not when it's not coming from me or when it's not coming from one of the media experts, a lot of the reporting we're doing is coming in from people who are out there. So in Hillsborough County, 990-9352, in Dallas County, 461-9352, be patient. You may be on the phone for a little bit. It may take us a little bit to pick up the phone because we're getting intermittent, as we're dealing with this, as we're doing, trying to keep you informed as to what to do in this situation. And these tornado warnings are coming.
Well,
just like
I'm heading down towards Curlew and alternate 19. You know where Strackman's ice cream is? The road's gone. Gone. Yeah, I barely made it through with the excursion. It is over the top. Alternate 19. I felt the water pushing the excursion. Oh wow. I'm on the causeway now. Wow. Yeah. I am now. Wow. This is incredible. I have never seen it like this. I'm just past the sheriff's place. Now I'm heading towards Shark. Yep. Oh, my brakes aren't working. Oh, dead car. No, they pulled it out, but it's dead. Wow, this is incredible. Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna drive through, say hello, 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 because I don't want all those pebbles flying off and hitting my truck. Well, alright, well, have you heard of anything else? So, gone. No, the road's not washed away, but it's deep enough, let's put it this way, that in the truck, I felt the current pushing the truck. You know. So, yeah, pretty bad. Yeah. This is phenomenal. Really. I can't believe that 8 inches of rain. Yeah, okay, yeah, well 9 inches. This is incredible. Good thing I have this truck.